Now, they're not efficiently captured by pollution control devices. They travel long distances and they penetrate deep into the lungs. They get right down into the alveoli. If you don't know it, the area of the lungs is the area of a tennis court. You've got a tennis court exchanging the gases which you hope. I mean, nature wanted you to exchange very effectively oxygen and carbon dioxide across those membranes. And she made it easy for herself because the membrane at this junction is only 2 cells thick. It's designed to let things go through, like gases. Now, if you put a big particle into the lung, if you put a 10 micron particle in the lung, it will be stopped by the membrane. But these 1 nanometer and 0.1 of a nanometer particles are so tiny, they go straight through the membranes. In other words, as soon as they get down into your lungs, they're into your bloodstream. And once in the bloodstream, they can also cross the cell membranes of every tissue, including the blood-brain barrier and the nuclear membrane. And nanoparticles, therefore, can carry neurotoxic metals into the brain. I can't think of anything worse. We have the blood-brain barrier to keep a lot of these nasty toxics out of our brain. But now we've got a way of getting them in. So this particle contains lead, barium, chromium, iron, and silicon, and it's in somebody's brain. Incidentally, this is very frightening for industry, because clearly you can now fingerprint. If someone dies of lung cancer, for example, instead of pointing fingers in all directions, you can tell the difference between nanoparticles which have come from diesel, which have come from this industry, which come from coal-fired power stations, come from trash incinerators. So lawyers, I hope you're rubbing your hands because you've got a wonderful tool here